All now seems nature's vast machinery, an endless servitude to material rule, and long determination's rigid chains. Her firm and changeless habits aping law, her empire of unconscious device, annul the claim of man's free human will. He too is a machine amid machines. A piston brain pumps out the shapes of thought. A beating heart cuts out emotions' modes. An insentient energy fabricates the soul, or the figure of the world reveals the signs of a tide chance repeating her own steps in circles around matter's binding points. This is the world as the new consciousness has found it, and still it lingers to be without thinking even of changing. But the time will come when things will change. The time is coming and one must be ready. A random series of inept events to which reason lends elusive sense is here. All the empiric life's instinctive surge, or a vast ignorant mind's colossal work. But wisdom comes, and vision grows within. Then nature's instrument crowns himself her king. He feels his witnessing self and conscious power. His soul steps back and sees the light supreme. A Godhead stands behind the brute machine. This truth broke in a triumph of fire. A victory was won from God in man. The deity revealed its hidden face. The great world mother now in her alone, a living choice reversed fate's cold deed, affirmed the spirit's tread on circumstance, pressed back the senseless dar, revolving wheel, and stopped the mute machine of necessity. A flaming warrior from the eternal speaks in power to force the door, denied and closed, smote from death's visage its dumb absolute, and burst the bounds of consciousness and time. This is just what has happened, and is still happening, and to pick up courage there is only to look in front to a future that is not so far away. We are slowly but surely coming out of an almost desperate path towards a future full of promise and bringing to humanity tired, exhausted, and almost despair the vision of a realization that will bring back not only hope, but light, power, and realization.